Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we're going to start talking about products and powers of integrals that involve secant and tangent. Okay, so this is going to be important because we're going to have to know quite a few, or recall quite a few of the integrals and derivatives of secant and tangent that we learned, or that you should have learned before. Okay, so one of the things is, so these four facts or integrals. So the integral of secant squared x is tangent x plus c. Okay, remember the derivative of tangent is secant squared. The derivative of secant x is secant tangent x. So again, notice that the integral goes the other way. The integral of tangent x is the natural log of secant x plus c. And the integral of secant x is the natural log of secant x plus tangent x plus c. Now you can derive these by doing some substitutions of identities, but they're pretty complicated. And these come up so often when you get tangent and secant that you're going to want to know these, because these do come up often enough that you're not going to want to keep deriving these results by using substitution, okay? Because you would have to rewrite these in a different way to do a u substitution. And so it's better just to memorize these. These two you should know. These two you can derive, but again, memorize them, because these are the substitutions you're going to use in these types of problems when you're dealing with products and powers of tangent x and secant x. Now, the goal here is when we deal with these, we want to rewrite the integral by using one or more of these substitutions so that we get a sum or difference of integrals that look like either one of these, okay? Where we have tangent to some power times secant squared x, or we have secant to some power times tangent x. And so either one of those, we could do a u substitution and integrate very easily. So that's the goal, okay? So in the next example, I'll show you what we mean by using one of these. Okay, see you then.